Hello everyone.
Hi Ron.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge's place of home fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, he isn't worried about who had a glass of wine by Boris at Christmas. He's more worried about whether Russia's going to invade Ukraine. It is the world famous Alan Partridge.
It's my brewmaster. I can't do intros, brother Dave Partridge.
Hello.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to DMP.
Welcome back to DMP. If you join us for the first time, this is where we brew beer kits and review them in our own limited style.
Well, he brews it. I just come and give my opinion.
Yes.
My humble opinion.
Yes.
Which many people might find wrong, but I don't care.
Try and advise people what is good and what's not.
Yes. Are we going straight in with the brews, bro? Or
We could do. We've got a vast range of beers across the bar.
what are we starting with, bro?
Well, let's go over to Love Brewing.
Oh, Goose. I don't think I've got that one loaded on my phone, actually.
I'll get it on your phone. I'll tell folk about a bit of Love Brewing.
Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, it's gone upside down. Look at this. Right then.
Love Brewing have a couple of shops, and if you are did go to a shop called Brew Store, they've took all the stock off Brew Store
right.
and now selling that as well. I've had a couple of kits in the past from Love Brewing. Some of them have been really nice, but these ones that I've got just recently, some of them are limited edition and tend to be a bit strong as well. It does like brewing a strong beer.
This is a 5.2 by the looks of it.
Yep.
American Goose Superior Crafted Pale Ale.
Yeah.
Right, the description is American Goose Superior Crafted Pale Ale 5.2. That's it.
That's it.
All details, here we go. Look.
Here, go on.
Here we go. Look.
Here you go.
Floral and citrus aromas lead to a slightly sweet caramel malt.
All right.
Plenty of citrus from the generous use of Simcoe and a well-balanced bitterness.
Like a bit Simcoe.
So we've got, basically, that is the only hop I can see on the list here, bro. That is just Simcoe.
Yeah, it's just a big bag of Simcoe you get with it.
Okay.
You get 2 big tins and of malt extract, I think it says on there as well.
Yeah. Lovely.
And brews to 4.2.
Okie dokie. Rightio. Okay, let's put.
He's going to stop messing about his phone.
Sorry, I'm trying to get all the info because we ain't got boxes.
We ain't got boxes. They do come in a cardboard
They
box.
come in a nice big cardboard box, don't they?
Yeah. But I have a mouse infestation in my shed, and they've decided to eat all the cardboard boxes.
We have got quite a lot of mouse traps about.
Yeah.
Some of them actually move.
I've got a mouse in them. Right.
Right, okie dokie. Right then, what have we got?
Well, it's not as pale as what I thought. Oh, it is if you hold it up to the light, isn't it?
It is if you get better light, but if you're in a pub, I would have said that's more an ale, brown ale colour, isn't it?
You get a strange kind of smell there. Ooh, it's worse when you shake it.
It is. Now, I'm not going to deny, I smelled this at the weekend. It's not smelling as bad as it smells at the
No,
weekend.
so I poured some off. I thought it was a bit smelly, so I poured some off.
Would you say overly yeasty?
Yeah, I would actually. Yeasty and malty, to be fair.
It's not. I don't know, because I thought it was almost sulphury at the weekend, but no, that's died off quite a bit.
A little bit, yeah. It's still there in the background.
It's still there a bit, but
I'm not so sure about it.
just try it. Let's find out.
Holy moly!
Oh yeah.
It's very nice water.
Oh. That's how many points have we got?
The sharpness is really sharp. It is. Are you getting that? It's like bitter, a proper bitter.
Don't do it again. Don't do it again. It's worse the second time.
Oh.
That is super sharp, and I mean it is super. Once it's gone down, it's quite dry.
Very dry, isn't it?
Oh, it's not pleasant.
It's not pleasant. You can't really go wrong with the kit, basically. You've basically dissolved your malt extract. You stick your hops in on a.
Maybe I'm being overly critical. I don't know, but
I can feel my strength. I feel my cheeks warming up.
I'm not. It's not great.
It's definitely not 10 out of 10.
You know what? I'm because some people moan about marks. I'm going to give it a 5.
Yeah, me too.
There you go. 5.
No, actually, I'm not going to go that high.
I'm not going that high.
It's 2.
Oh dear Lord. We'll put them to one side, shall we? We don't recommend that one, but you know, you might have better success.
Yeah, you might have better success. You might have had the kit and thought it was great. I don't know.
Oh, I don't think so.
Let me know if you have.
Right. Well, what are we moving to now, bro?
We're staying with Love Brewing.
Right, yeah.
And they do a limited, I think it's a limited edition range. This is Lucky Freedom Goose
No, it's not.
It's Lucky Freedom Grapefruit IPA.
And it's not from...
Just from Love Brewing.
Hey, you're right, it is from Love Brewing.
Yes, I know it's right. I brewed it.
This is what happens when I don't get my boxes, isn't it, eh? I can't find it on there, though. So it's a Lucky Freedom, you said, didn't you?
Yeah. It's Lucky Freedom. It's a grapefruit IPA.
Ah, it's Lucky Freedom's Grapefruit IPA.
Guys, hard work tonight, folks. It's not normally this bad in here, but go on. Terrible.
So yeah, props. I've got no props. So, Lucky Freedom Grapefruit IPA.
It's APA.
Beerworks Craft Brewery Series, an American pale ale with a bitter edge that'll push your citrus tolerance to the brink and back. Now, this says it's 8%.
Yes. You do get 2 tins and a bag of malt extract. This guy's really tried to push the boundaries with these kits, really.
Okay.
8% out of a malt extract kit is probably just like...
This is a lovely caramel malt base supporting a full frontal citrus overload. Grapefruit piled on top of intense aroma hops, waves of orange and grapefruit.
Well, yes, and in this kit, you do actually get some dry grapefruit peel, an orange peel. I'll put it in at the start of fermentation.
£25.96. Yep. I wouldn't describe that as an American pale ale.
Amber? At the best taste.
So this is an 8% beer.
8% beer.
And it's going to overload me citrusy, full-on...
He says he's going to push him to the brink and back.
Well, you can certainly get that nose from it.
Yeah,
It's certainly got a citrus nose in it,
Smells
hasn't it?
right, yeah, you can smell the grapefruit and the orange coming through, to be fair.
I'm a bit disconcerted with the colour. It has to be said, bro.
I didn't make it, I just made it, bro. I just made it.
Yeah, well, I'm getting the right nose.
You're getting the right nose. Smells good so far, doesn't it?
Are we going in?
Going in.
Oh, cry!
God, my life! Oh, when they said that pushes your senses to the brink and back,
I can't feel my teeth.
he's not kidding.
I can't feel my teeth.
Oh, there's a strong caramel taste. Really strong caramel taste. It's almost toffee that's that sweet. But then there's the citrus that really is so sharp. It actually describes it as it is. The citrus is so sharp.
When you say citrus,
Piece
to
of
me it's
grapefruit.
like licking a lemon.
It's like, you know, when you're on island, you cut a grapefruit in half and you go in with your spoon and go, that's what that is.
That's a pretty good description.
But there's caramel mixed in with it. It's like you've got a grapefruit and you've poured caramel sauce on the top.
To me, it certainly tastes like an episode bit. It's almost...
Oh, I can feel it going down.
Yeah, you know that barley wine?
Oh.
It's almost got that.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not keen.
Definitely not keen.
Slightly better than the last beer, but only just.
I reckon. Let me just taste it again.
Well, maybe not. Right, no.
It does. One of my subscribers says, if it does what it says in the description, you should give it a 10 out of 10.
Well, no, because we're going on what I like as a taste. And I don't like that.
Neither do I. But it does say what it is. It is a strong caramel base, citrus and grapefruit.
It does push it to the limits. It does what it says on the box. So for that, for the description, matching the description, yes, I'll give it 10 out of 10. For a beer, I'm giving it a 3.
Ditto. That's exactly what I was thinking.
There you go.
There you go. You're brave if you make that and drink it out of a keg. I think if you made that and stuck it in bottles and had the odd bottles over a period of probably 6 months.
Or a year later.
Or a year later, I think then it might improve.
Right.
It might just, I just don't know. It's just really sharp.
It's not for us. Right. I think we've got a third bit. Hopefully, things might improve. Because quite frankly, it's not happening here
It's
tonight.
not happening in here tonight, bro, is it?
I can't see any going on that list yet, can you?
No. So
Right.
we're going to go to Malt Miller now.
Malt Miller. Come on, Malt Miller. Let's redeem us. Right, what have we got here then? So, if I've done this right, I'll go straight on. DK's Strata Delight, or Strata, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Strata is a fairly new hop that has lots of hype breweries brewing various different styles of beer.
Oh, right, okay.
It's described as passion fruit meets pot. When it says pot, do you pot?
Don't know.
Okay.
I think there might be a spelling mistake there.
No, you could be. It's sticky, resinous, fruity, and just a great all-round hop that works on its own. This is 20 quid, this kit.
Yeah, yeah. All grain.
All grain kit.
One of Dennis King's.
Dennis King's. Crisp pale malt, Vienna. Do all sorts of things in it. It's got, on the website, it's got all the list of stuff that's in it anyway. And, gravity, ABV, 5% then.
Lovely.
I have to say, I'm just looking at that. I'll put that away, bro, because that looks crystal clear.
It looks cracking pint, doesn't it? If you're not familiar with Dennis King, he's a renowned home brewer. He shared his recipes with the guys at Malt Miller. And yeah, he's come up with this one. I think this is his latest, actually.
It's a delicate nose, I'd say.
It is a very delicate nose, isn't it? You're not getting a lot by the nose, to be fair.
A little bit of hop and hoppiness coming through, but it's not an offensive nose by any means.
Going in?
I'm going in. That looks good. That does. Now I don't know if it's because the other beers were so bad.
I think it is.
But that's delightful.
It is just a delight. That's why it's called a delight. It's smooth, it's round, it's well balanced, it's not overpowering, it's light, it's crisp, it's refreshing. It's just
all
what you want in the beer.
Ticks all the boxes, that.
Ticks all the boxes, doesn't
That's cracking. I'm going straight in with a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Was that a full grain kit?
Yeah.
Oh, now then.
Could it go on the list because we did give it a 10 out of 10?
There's a board behind it. No, I just did it a 10 out of 10. But he's also, what do you think? Is it 10 out of 10?
I think it's definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 from both of us. It could be going on the board.
Oh, I can't stop drinking it now.
It's good, that. After the last two, it's nice and nose of beer on the bar we can drink.
The more you drink, there's a nice floral nose comes through, and then you can taste the stone passion fruit a little bit more.
Yeah, very much so. I agree with you there. Yeah. Not too florally.
No.
But the stone fruit sort of thing, definitely. Yeah. And a nice little dry palate afterwards. Cracking beer. Cracking beer. Well,
there you go. I think
10 out of 10.
I think it's going to go on the list, and like I say, once we've got a list full, and if it's not full by the end of the year,
we'll decide on the positions.
We'll decide on the positions and the overall winner.
Lovely jubilee. Well, thanks for watching once again.
Next time in the Dog and Party, bro.
Forget my job. I'm all over the shop tonight. Right, see, look, he's not happy with me. Partridge Brewing Company, that's us. Mild Maids of Milking.
Mild Maids of Milking, yes.
That's going to be a mild then, isn't it?
Yes.
Malt Miller.
Yes.
Elusive Brewing.
Yeah.
Spellbinder Coffee Porter.
Yes.
That rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? I'll take that's coffee porter then.
Yes, and there's also, you can actually get this in a can. It's actually, it is a production
from Spellbinder,
beer. Yeah, from Spellbinder.
Lovely. And is that Malt Miller again? Black Dog Mild.
Yeah.
So we've got a porter and 2 milds.
We're going to the dark side.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, Lord Sith, you'll be joining the dark side.
Oh, dark side. We're all porter in mild.
I think we could be back sooner rather than later, though, because I think these might be going sinkward.
They may be going drainward, yes. I think there's a definite possibility of that. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
Yes.
If you're watching on YouTube, thank you for all your comments and likes and everything.
Yes, definitely.
We're getting quite a few now, aren't we?
Yes.
I think you posted a video the other day. I think we had over 3,000 people watch it.
Yeah.
There's 3,000 silly fools watch us.
The particular one that was about the hazy IPA, the one new came out.
That's
we had 3,000 views on that. Well, I didn't think it was bad.
Cracking. Thank you very much, people, for that. If you're not already a subscriber, there is a subscribe button on YouTube somewhere. If you like to click that for us, please. That'd be great.
Very much appreciated. Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah. About it, bro.
That's about it. Until next time, it's goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Huzzah! To the Queen!